Let me just share my angel investing experience. I've been full-time in crypto since September 2017. That's when I quit my job at IBM. Given my badge, I said, you know what? I want to follow this crypto to the moon and beyond, right? Because crypto was the future of money, the future of open finance, the next internet. And I was a very active angel investor back in the day. Nowadays, it's kind of tougher because I'm running Tokenmetrics full-time, but that's why we also ended up launching the fund, Tokenmetrics Ventures, TMV. So now we're kind of getting back into venture and angel investing. Back then, I was heavy in the space. For those of you who know me back in my Blogfolio days, well, I was posting my Blogfolio every single day, showing how I turned 20 grand to 5 million. This was kind of a daily journal or snapshot. I was early. All these were basically token sales. I was early in Salt, Chainlink, DNT, Civic, ZRX, and people saw me take these angel investments, essentially ICOs back then, or private sales, and turn this money from 20K to almost 5 million. The best returns were from being early. That's why ICOs were so big back then, token sales. I was in the private round of Chainlink. Fortunately, I did not hold that long in the bear market, and the rest is history. I was an early investor in Filecoin. I went to one of the conferences in San Francisco back then, a Telcoin. That one actually ended up doing well this cycle, but in the prior cycle, I was actually in their private sale. Icon did 100x. Power Ledger, they're still around, did pretty well. Civic, I was doing since 2017. But all this came from our network, from traveling the world. And honestly, it's very tough to do, but the best deals in venture capital and angel investing come from boots on the ground, going to the who's who events or conferences, and finding other builders, other investors, and network. So like this is us in Tokyo, Japan. We were touring Telcoin's offices because we were angel investors in Telcoin. This is us in Paris doing a Crypto World Tour event. We're doing all these big events, kind of like a Shark Tank type event globally. We had events as big as 1,000 people in Moscow, Russia, 1,000 people in London. And this is where we're meeting all these different projects. This is us in Hyderabad, India at a conference. We held an event. One of the seed VCs in our network, who was a seed VC in Matic, Polygon back then, invited them to come pitch on our show. That was licensed to over 6,000 people, and the rest is history. Matic became the big project overnight. And that's actually Crypto Banter ran on the right as well. This was August 2018. This is me traveling to Helium's offices more than 1 year prior to them launching, because we were doing research. We knew, hey, this project was very interesting. Let's boots on the ground, go out there and learn more. And we learned, hey, this is the device they're building. I had a chance to check out the device, do an interview with the CEO at the time, Frank Monk. And obviously now we're in the media and everything, right? But in essence, the best VC deal flow comes from having a wide global crypto network. You should be able to go anywhere in the world and know what the best products are. So you have to be connected. You have to be in the know. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Tokenmetrics. Get there using the link down below.